Parang I feel like everyone took it well except for one.
Sino?
One was affected, I could tell. And she said that she was affected in a good way.
Ate Mariel?
Gusto ko magluto ngayon.
Magluto.
Gusto ko ngayon lutuin ang buong bahay. Ako'y papasayahin ko si Will. Did you want to cook the beef?
Guys, where's Will?
Para sa akin, hindi lang masaya, pero it was very much a learning experience para sa akin kasi I was able to see how people perceived me.
Where's my purity ring? Oh, God, my purity ring.
Napansin ko po, yung nakakita ng ibang housemates ko is just one dimension of who I am. So, medyo
masasabi mo ron?
Medyo nalungkot ako kasi that's not only who I am.
You see this? So
I can't eat it. It's so dirty. So dirty.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I don't do that to potato.
actually,
I don't soak it that much.
I saw it. It's really good.
Ito nga how we see her eh. Ito ang nakikita namin sa kanya. Hindi yung na nagsising siya at nagda-dance siya. Hindi naman yun eh. Pero, yun, gumanon siya. Tapos naisip ko, okay. So parang ang ginagawa niya is she wanted to say na that's not all I can do. I can do other things.
Riza, pumasok ka sa confession room. Riza, pumasok ka sa confession room. Riza, kamusta ka? Kamusta araw mo?
Kuya, nalulungkot ako, kuya.
Bakit ka nalulungkot?
May gusto na ako sa kanya.
Mukhang kilala. Isa!
In the beginning, na nakakatawa natin, but after a while, ang pakiramdam ko medyo uneasy. Lahat ang mga housemates. Kasi it's funny and then it feels like making fun of. Iba talaga.
Timmy! Alis na talaga ako. Alis na talaga ako. Saan niyo ang pinto?
I hate you!
Ayaw mo na!
Teka muna, sana nag-enjoy naman kayong dalawa sa kabulan na ginagawa niyo. Lumayo ka nga doon.
Pero,
Gusto niyo naman yun?
pansin